Hi, Alana here from Green Arrow Digital, and I just wanted to record a really quick video to share something with you which I think you're going to be really interested in. Google have recently innovated and released a new update which I do believe is going to be a bit of a game changer in the Google ad space. So typically, Google has strictly been a pay-per-click platform. That means that you don't pay for people to see your ads, you only pay when people click on your ads, hence pay-per-click advertising, right? Well, Google have recently rolled out an update which is a game changer in the Google ad space. And what it is, it's called Pay for Conversions. So essentially, you are only paying Google for the conversions or the leads that campaign has generated. So you don't pay for an impression, you don't pay for a click, you only pay Google for the leads that it has generated. Sounds a little bit too good to be true, right? Well, let me show you in an account exactly what I mean. So here we are in an account where the target cost per lead is $35. Now that's just relevant to this particular business. You would choose whatever target cost per lead is relevant for your business. So here we are where we have set the target CPA for $35. We've had 842 impressions, so 842 people have seen the ad, 5 clicks, and there's no leads, so we haven't paid anything. Completely free. Pretty crazy, right? Let me show you in another account. Here we have a different account which has a different target CPA. This one has a target CPA of $30. We've had 182,000 impressions, about 1,200 odd clicks, and we've generated 3 conversions. So we only paid $90. We've only paid $90 for those 3 leads. We didn't pay for the clicks, only the leads that it generated. So I thought I'd share this with you. Make sure you enroll this out into your account. And if you need a hand, you can just give me a shout. Hope you enjoy.